Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this etrailer hitch pin alignment collar for ball mounts and pintle mounts on a 2.5-inch hitch. Now this hitch pin alignment collar will install onto your 2.5-inch hitch accessory and allow you to easily align the hitch pin hole on the shank of that accessory with the hitch pin hole that's on your hitch. Now for this demonstration I've actually pulled here, you can see a 2.5-inch hitch, and I've pulled a 2.5-inch pintle mount that goes in the hitch, and it comes with the pin and the clip. So basically this alignment collar will eliminate you having to get down on your hands and knees to align the hitch pin holes to install the pin and clip. It'll work perfectly on ball mounts, pintle hitch mounts, and other 2.5-inch hitch accessory. It's a very easy one-time installation on most 2.5-inch hitch mounted accessories. I want to just show you how that works. We're going to go ahead and zoom in. We'll move to the front here. What I'm going to show you is here's your 2.5-inch pintle mount that's designed to slide right into your 2.5-inch hitch opening. And the problem is lots of times when you try to align the hitch pin hole that's on the shank with the hitch pin hole, with this hitch being up underneath the car, you usually got to get down and try to line your pin up to go into the hole. So to eliminate that problem, what we have here is you'll take this alignment collar and just loosen the knobs on both sides to where it's loose enough that it'll be able to slide just like that right onto your shank. Once you get it all the way on there, just leave it loose. Go ahead and install this in there, and then using your hitch pin, just push your shank back, and then once you hit the hole, go ahead and put your pin in there, and then take your clip and go ahead and put your clip on there. And slide that over. And then once you get your clip on there, you know that's the position you need. Then what you'll do is take this alignment collar, slide it all the way up against the hitch receiver opening, and then go ahead and tighten these knobs on each side. And you probably want to do it equally so you get equal pressure on there. Make sure it's up against the hitch. And then once you get it tightened down all the way, then what you can do is when you go to pull out your clip, and then pull out your pin, then you can slide out your pintle mount, and you'll just leave the hitch alignment collar attached on there, just like that. So the next time you go to use it, instead of having to look and get up underneath try to line your hitch pin up, just slide this all the way in, up against as far as it goes. Then you should be able to just take your pin, put it in the hole, and it'll go right across. Put your clip on and you're ready to go. So it saves you the hassle of trying to line those holes up. Makes it real easy. And you can slide this out. Now I've installed this with the knobs up. You can install it with the knobs down if you prefer, whichever works for your situation, if you have any interference or anything, but it'll work either way. And then what you can do, you can leave it on there. Now if you do need to remove it and put it on something else, just loosen it and do the same arrangement to tighten it, to line it up. And what's nice is if you buy a few extra of these, you can put one on each accessory or ball mount, pintle mount, whichever you have. So to remove it, all you have to do is loosen both knobs, and once it gets loose enough, just go ahead and slide it off just like that. Now this is a nice steel construction, has a nice black powder coat finish to prevent any rust or corrosion. But that should do it for the review on this etrailer hitch pin alignment collar for ball mounts and pintle mounts on a 2.5-inch hitch.